Yeah, good morning. Tep, Sleng, Pio, Pana, Or, Hauk, Wong, Masaki.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Masaki. Hauk.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Pana. Good. So, had your breakfast?
Yes, sir, we did.
Okay. Rice and pork, huh?
No, sir, this time it's sandwiches.
Oh, okay. Right. So, okay. Okay. So, Kyo try it out later on, huh? You try it
Yes, sir.
out.
Yes, I can execute it.
Okay.
But
Executed, huh? Okay.
yes, I may require
Very
you to explain again the add, the delete, something that you mentioned in the last class.
Oh, everything you finished, huh?
Not yet,
Oh,
sir. Not
okay,
yet.
okay,
I
okay,
would
okay, okay.
you to request. I want you to explain.
Yeah, sure. Very good. Okay, yeah. So, uh, so this is what we had yesterday. So our project now it has got an index.html. So you see, this is the app actually. So the complete app is actually deployed in the local server. Okay, local server is nothing but I'll just show you the screen. No, it's here. You can see here. Can you see the screen? Countries of this world. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have add country, view countries, and delete country. Okay, just some tags. So you can see here. So this is a local server. So normally how it will be instead of this local host colon 8080, which is our local machines. Local host is referred by local host, and 8080 is nothing but the port in which this web app is running. This particular web app is running. Okay. Normally how web applications, for example, you would have when you placed online orders and all, orders for some of the items online, Swiggy, some kind of online companies who are having products online, Amazon, for example. So all those things. So instead of this, you will have the domain name. That's it. Okay, they will have the domain name here, followed by their project. Okay, then under that they will have all their connected files, connected HTML, CSS, and JSP. Some of them will have JSP, some of them will have PHP. Okay, so the entire architecture is like that. That's it. So you should have a folder which contains all your project, and you upload that complete folder into your domain, into your host machine's IP address, or you have domain name www dot. Okay, so complete thing will be uploaded here. Then you access it by giving that machine's IP address, or machine's domain name, domain name. For example, www dot. Okay, I have domain name called lenincommunistparty.com. So lenincommunistparty.com slash. Then if I have uploaded some projects now, then they will be here. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, so now for example, so now what I did is I started this project by right clicking here, then okay, deploy. So when I deploy it, now automatically the server, everything will start. Now what we'll do, we'll just go here and continue with our code. Yeah. So I click on add country. So when I click on add country, I go to another page where there is a country code. country name, everything. So I think you cannot see. I'll just make it clear so you can see here. I'll remove this link as such in 1 minute. Index.css. Okay. So what I'll do for form, okay. Yeah, position absolute. Okay. Transform. So I'll just do one thing. I'll just change the color to something like that. Inside form, I given some color. For div, background color, I'll give pink. Especially for this. Here I'll remove it. There is no effect. Okay, we'll see that. The code is not country code, country name. Okay, so here's one thing. So inside form, what we have div, then we have a anchor text, not this. Our page is add.html. Yeah. So labels. Okay, okay, okay. What we'll do, these labels. In form we have div, then we have okay. Why this page for adding add.html. They'll redeploy, should take into effect. Okay. I'll remove the positioning. Maybe remove all positions. Let it be a default position. Oh, nothing seems to be. We'll just deploy again. Sometimes the server, okay, would get hang, so nothing will respond. We'll just see. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take the entire thing. I'll take it to one more browser. Yeah, so now you can see here. So now I'll change the label to something different. Okay, forms label. Label is white only, but still okay. Because of the div, the color is not good. So div, there div I given display flex. Okay. Inside div, what I should have given given ID with top bar. Okay, top bar I'll go here. Okay, top bar. So that ID with top bar will have display, not everything. We'll refresh now. Yeah, now we got it clear. Thing is, what happened now? I had set for the entire division display flex and then justify content space around. So what happens? All elements with the division. So even our added HTML got a division. Look at this. So this has got a division. Okay, so now it got applied for every division inside our CSS file. So the CSS file is common for all files. Na? So it got applied for every division. So now what I did was I just renamed this division with an ID. I gave an ID for this particular division as top bar. Only for this top bar I set display flex. So it does not apply. It does not get applied to all divisions. So this division is paired. All these divisions are paired. They act accordingly according to our original settings. Now if we do something, it will go work. Now what I just go to form. Okay, and I'll just go here. Now I'll set. I see it got in. I'll set a background here. Background color pink. Okay. So now we'll refresh it. Got a pink color. Okay, fine. Now, so this is how it is. Now, of course, we can position it now. Not this. Form can be positioned. Absolute position. Okay. Left. Okay. 50% or 40%. Top 30%. Okay. We'll just click here so you can see here. Okay, it got positioned exactly somewhere in the middle. Okay. Later on we can adjust it. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll just go here and this is not required right now. Okay, so let it be. I'll remove this. Yeah. So I'll just give a space around. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll just focus on our code. Okay, focus on our code. Now what I'll do, I'll just enter some country. Now let us see what are the countries available already. Okay, if you go to your home screen, add country, view countries. So if you click on view countries, exception report in terms of something problem. Okay, we'll just see that. Jasper exception. Yesterday it was working. Now we'll see why it's not working. Yeah. Something like below Apache localhost. Null object results in null pointer exception. Null object. So, but it was having some record. We'll just see that. Okay, maybe I'll just see that. Databases. MySQL. I'll open it. Yeah. The thing is now, so I'll right click here, connect. Then I'll say OK. These are the things now we make normally. This mistake now okay, unable to make connection. So I'll start the database first. See. I'll click on MySQL start. So there is no password, I think. I'll just say OK. Okay, I think it has started. Now I click here, connect, say OK. Yeah, connected. Now it will work. So you see, the database has not started up. That's it. That is the reason. Even though, you see, the server started, so your project, the server containing your project started. Because you can see here, when you go here now, go to services. If you go to services, you see, Glassfish has started. See, look at this. Okay, it's green in color. The server has started, but the database server has not started. That is the reason you get null exception. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just go to project and I'll just go here. Okay, I'll just see. Okay, refresh now. You got it. Okay, so these are things now. These kind of mistakes, only when we make, you will understand. Okay, I won't say that I wantedly made it. Okay, but anyway, it happened so that you understand. You have that idea how to solve it. Okay, so it says null. See, the error was null pointer exception. That means you are trying to access data where data is not available. It's null because the database has not started. Okay, now I'll just go here, go back, add country. So we are going to add one more country. Okay, so view countries. Now it will work. Okay, so I just close this. Now what we'll do, we'll add India, Pakistan, China, Cambodia, and we'll just add one more Thailand. We'll add, okay, with the code 105. So how do I add it? Click on add country. So I'll just say 105 followed by Thailand. Okay, then if you click on add, it should add. So, but I think we check whether the code is completed. So see, when you click on, see, I go to add.html. See, this is the page which you see here. See, this page is for adding countries. See, you can see this page is for adding countries. So now, after entering country code here and country name here, okay, the submit button. Look at this. This is a submit add button. Add. So this add is this. Okay, this add is this. Now what I'll do, I'll just make it bigger. Now, can you see the screen? All of you can see the screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Later on, we'll look at the fancy thing. General we can do later on. So now you can see add. Okay, but you see add is not. Yeah. Okay. Of course, you can see here. When I click on add, it goes to add.jsp because look at this. Our code. See, when you submit, it submit. Action is call add.jsp. Add.jsp. So add.jsp is as part of our project only. Look at this. It's here. So when you click on add button, action is call me, call add.jsp. Method is post. But add.jsp is not been created yet. So we have to create it. So what we'll do, we'll just go here. Okay, web pages, right click here, new JSP, change it to add. That's it. Add. Okay, add. Say finish. Finish. So you see, this is add.jsp. Look at this. Okay, add.jsp. Things, unnecessary things. I'll view everything. I'll close. Yeah, everything is closed right now. So we have only add.jsp and add.html. So now add.jsp has to receive the data. So what you do is you go here. You can remove all this body part. You can remove. I'll save it. Control S. Then the code. See, whenever you say JSP, okay, it has got. Okay, the code can be only in the enclosed. Okay, this symbol. Okay, this symbol is nothing but starting of the JSP code, ending of the JSP code. Okay, JSP code. So what we'll do, I'll just say string country code. I just say code is equal to request dot get parameter. So what is the parameter name? I'll just show here. Look at this. And this is, look at this. This is C code. This should match. You have to take exactly this only. So I'll just copy this. I'll go here. Okay. Here I'll put within double quotation or single double quotation. Normally we do it. C code. Okay. So whoever calls this particular add.jsp, they should come with C code. Now this fellow calls again. Next thing is C name. C name is nothing but the country name. So I'll just go here. Okay, go to add.jsp. So string C name or name, anything you can give. Name is equal to request or get parameter. Okay, so C name, this should be same. You cannot change this. Okay, this should be what you are sending from that particular file. And this can be anything. This can be monkey, donkey, doesn't matter. But this should be as it is what you send, that should be followed. Otherwise you'll get error. Okay, now we got these two. Okay, now what you can do, always, step by step, you can just see whether you got it. I'll just say code plus just for testing it. That's it. Okay, name. Out.println. So we'll confirm that, okay, we are getting the data from the HTML page to JSP page. Of course, this is not required. This out.println, we'll remove it later on. Now what I'll do, I'll just go back. Okay, refresh it. Then I'll just say 105 Thailand. And you can see here 105 Thailand. We got it. So the data is being correctly transmitted. No problem. Now what we'll do, we have to insert this into our database. That's our task. So that now when you go to our query, again it comes up. We can fetch that country. Okay, along with all other countries, Thailand also will be available. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll just copy the code for connecting into. There is a facility where we can have all these things under another JSP file. That we'll do later on. Right now, what I'll do, I'll just go here. Okay, I'll just copy the entire thing. Look at this. Just copy the entire thing. Control C. I'll come back to add.jsp. C. Okay, I pasted it here. Then you can see here. Okay, there is an error. Why there is an error? Because of the import statement. So I'll just go here. Just import everything. Control C. I'll come back to add.jsp. Okay, Control V. Save it. Press Control S for saving. Now you can see the error has gone. Okay, now everything has come. Okay, connection is there. Class file was loaded. Then driver file. Yeah, same database. No change. String. So he changes here. What it changes now? So I'll just say string. Okay, insert into table name. We are seeing here. I think country, yeah. See, table name is country. Okay, which has got two things. Okay, now if you look at this now, go to services and see. I'll go to database. Expand this. It's company database. Okay, I'll just go here. Tables, country. The country ID, country name. Only two fields are there. Country underscore ID, country underscore name. So what we'll do, we'll just exactly match this, and I'll just see whether I think it is not automatic. Yeah, it's not automatic. So we have to give value. Okay, it's not auto increment. So country underscore ID, country underscore name. So I'll go back to our add.jsp, insert into country. Okay. So if you want, you can specify the country code. Okay. So or we can directly do one thing, values. I just put on open bracket. Okay. then plus. Okay, now we have to the country code. So you see, country code is this code. Country code comes through this name. Country name is coming through name variable. So what I'll do, I'll remove all these things. Okay, so you see code plus okay, comma, because there are two fields to be inserted. One is code, second thing will be country name. So that should be within single quotation because that is a string. Country code is okay, integer. So look at this. This is integer. Sorry, country ID is integer. See, this is yeah, data type is integer. Look at this, integer. So we don't need to okay name. So see, this code should not be in single quotation. Okay, but name should be in single quotation. So what we do is okay, after see code comma, I'll just display and show you. Wait, you can understand. Okay, then close the single quotation. After close the bracket, put a semicolon. Okay, so wait, I'll just say I'll remove all these things. My suggestion is always, when you develop something, you go incrementally. Now what I'll do, just easy. Out.println is already there. So I'll copy from here. Out.println, just this SQL. Okay, see. Now we'll just see whether the structure is correct. Okay, insert into country, values, code, comma, country name. Okay, so we should get that as output. Still, it will not be inserted into the table, but we'll just see whether the structure is correct. Okay, so I'll just refresh it. So you can see here, I'll refresh this page. I'll click on add. Yeah, see, insert into country, values, 105, Thailand. So perfect. Okay, so now this can be applied on our database. So what I'll do, I'll just remove again, comment it out. Okay, so what we're supposed to do, statement dot execute. Okay, execute, we can give execute, then not query, it's execute, because it's going to be inserted into the table. Okay, so of course, if you try execute now, it will just show you boolean. Boolean means true or false. So what you can do is just say see, if it is true, that means if successfully it has been done, inserted into the table, you can just give a message out.println. I'll just copy from here. Okay, done. I'll just say done. Done means okay, inserted. Else okay, not done. No. Okay, fine. We'll get a big no. Okay, so we'll remove all these things. Okay, so I just saved it. Don't forget to save it. Now I'll just refresh this. No, why no? We'll see that. Okay. Why? So what was the problem? We'll just see that. Okay, 1 minute. What is the problem? We'll see. Why no? Okay. I'll try, instead of execute, I'll just say execute update. No, not execute update. Okay. In that case, it will be Boolean. So I'll just comment it. So it will be like this. I remove it. It is greater than 0. Execute. Only execute is there, not update. Execute. Execute update is there. Okay. And if it is greater than 0. than 0. Because the difference is, I'll just tell you what is it. I'll refresh again. Done. So it's execute update. Okay, it's not execute update. Okay, now we'll cross check this with our home page. Okay, view countries. Yeah, Thailand. Oh, Thailand got added twice. Oh, so it got added, but so it works. Maybe why it came no. Okay, how it got added twice? Maybe the reason is I'll just try with one more country. See, add country. I'll say 106. I'll just say Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam. Okay, Vietnam. I don't know what is spelling, exact spelling. Vietnam. Okay, maybe it's correct. Add. Done, 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 done. So we'll go here. We'll go to our. In fact, there should be a link given. I have not given yet. Okay, view countries. So Vietnam get added. Okay. So the thing is, if it is not able to successfully done it, execute it, it will give a negative value. So as long as it is greater than 0, okay, it is positive. That means it has executed perfectly. They executed perfectly. Okay. So what happens is, so you have your now look at this. We pass value from that our HTML page, okay, which got the query here. In fact, this should not be done this way. This is just for showing you how you have to work in database. Okay, it should have prepared statement actually. I'll tell you what it is in the next class. Prepared statement. Okay, prepared statement means where the parameters they are not directly passed like this. They are not passed like this. You have to have a question mark. Okay, then you have to pass parameters. Then through parameters only the value should be inserted. That is, there in SQL there is a problem called SQL injection problem. SQL injection. Okay, so if you have prepared statement, no SQL injection attack will not be there. And normally, if you directly insert data like this, no, it will be prone to SQL injection attack. To avoid that, we should go for prepared statement only. But anyway, now you should have understanding of database concept, how to insert, delete, and all. That is why we are doing it. Okay. Now you can see here this statement dot execute contains your insert statement. Okay, this can be anything. It can be monkey. Okay, in the script, you have to get monkey. That's it. Monkey. That's it. Don't think it is SQL means it will then only insert. Nothing like that. It's a variable name. That's it. Okay. So I'll just save it. I'll just go back. So we are not given link. Refresh it again. Add a country. 107. We'll make what other thing? Japan. Japan is not there, no? Japan. Okay, done. So we'll come back. We'll come back. Two countries. Okay, Japan. Okay, fine. 107 is Japan. Okay, fine. So what happens? Table background was Sam. I'll just make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That look good. Four, 5, 6. Not now. Or green. Vue.jsp. Why Vue.jsp? Index.css. Why it's not taking into effect? Maybe So when it got disconnected, I did not realize that it got disconnected. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
How many minutes back it got disconnected?
It got cut off when you were clearing your history, sir.
Oh, okay. Then it's okay. Okay, so you see, so you can see now what happened. This particular page, na, it got refreshed. So when you say for clearing the cache, na, Control Shift, okay, delete. Control Shift delete will give you, see, Control Shift delete. You will see clear the data. If you clear the data, na, then it will bring the page fresh from the project. Otherwise, it will bring only from the old thing. So some of the attributes it won't change. Data may get updated, but other things will not get updated. So you have to clear the cache if it does not appear. If the data is not refreshed, then you clear the cache. Then it will work. Now can you see the screen? India, Pakistan, China, Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan. Can you see? Oh, everybody
Sir,
can see, yeah?
you didn't share the screen.
Okay. Yeah. Can you see this now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what happened? I made some changes here. Okay, I went there and see the table background color I changed to #12345 6. Font size is increased. Okay, then color white. Color white means the text color. So will be white. Okay, the table's color will be white and everything. Okay, that's it. Nothing extraordinary I did. Nothing. Only in CSS file I made all these changes. CSS file. Okay, so now we have successfully added data into our table. Now what we can do, we can provide a link to our home page. So view country. So you can have a button here so that you go back and all. That and all we'll do later on. Okay, now we'll go for delete. So when you say delete, see the page is not okay arrived yet. So when you say delete, I should give the name country code to be deleted or country name to be deleted. So we can do have that way. So what I'll do, I'll just go here. Okay, add.html. Okay, I'll copy this. In fact, this is one of the ways of doing it. That's it. But normally it is done using jQuery behind scene and all. We are not entering into that actually, so that it does not go to another page and delete it. Okay, behind the scene it will delete if you use jQuery. Okay, so that and all will take a lot of time. Okay, but right now we are just going according to this particular setup where we have HTML page through which we are submitting the query. Okay, fine. Now del.php is not there. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just click here. First I'll say when I click on it, it should go to del.html. I'll create an HTML file. I just call del. Okay, del. Here I'll just see. I'll remove this body. Or inside body also you can give. I give this form. Look at this. Okay, same form I copied. Okay, but what I want the country name to be specified. So what I'll do, I'll just remove this country code and all. Okay, I remove country code. It all be here. Enter the country name. So CNAME, and this should be del.jsp, and this is post. Okay, so the value I'll make it delete. Fine. So I think rest all same. Okay, so it will have only one text button where you specify the country name. Okay, now del.jsp. Okay, before creating del.jsp, let us save this, refresh the page. Then I'll click on view country. It will view back. Then delete country. You can see here country name. What country you want to delete? You want Thailand. Then delete. Okay, so when you click on delete now, it should go to del.jsp. That's what we mentioned here. Okay, del.jsp, which receives the data as add.jsp received. So you just see. I go to add.jsp, copy the entire thing, Control C. Okay, so I'll go here. I'll go to new JSP del.jsp. Del.jsp. No, just del is enough because it's JSP. Finish. Okay, then go here, remove the complete body. Okay, Control B. Okay, fine. Look at this. And even the thing is add.jsp, that import statement should be Control C. I'll come back to del.jsp. Okay, now error has gone. Now look at this. I'll save it. Error has gone. Now we don't get C code because we get only the C name. So I'll delete this statement. Okay, so delete everything. So rest all same. Monkey. Okay, it's not monkey. Just I'll make it as SQL. Delete. Query is delete from country where C. I'll just go here where. Okay, country, this should be same. Country name. Country name. See, because look at this, the field, see, country underscore name. This should match exactly as it is here. So country underscore name. We'll go here. Is equal to, I'll close the, yeah. Look at this. Okay, where country name, delete from country, where country underscore name is equal to, within single quotation. Okay, I'll close this plus name. Okay, then this bracket is not required. Okay, look at this. Fine. So what I'll do, so you just put an out.println and just print it. Okay, so I'll just remove all these things. Okay, so you see, delete from country where country name is equal to, within single quotation. We'll just see the structure. Okay, so I'll refresh this page again. Thailand, delete. See, delete from country where country name is equal to Thailand. Okay, so now always it is better when you are learning you just print that statement so that any structural problem you can find out. See what happened sometimes you'll miss the opening bracket. Okay, closing bracket, something you'll miss, or single quotation you'll miss, double quotation, something you'll miss. So you just put an out.println, then check whether delete from country where country underscore name is Thailand. Okay, still if it is not working, now what you're supposed to do, you have to copy this, Control C, go to your table, see, database, in fact go to tables. Okay, right click here, execute command. If you execute the command, if this command executed perfectly here, then it will work there also. Sometimes what will happen, everything will be perfect, but still it not execute. In that case, you have to say, then if it deletes directly from the table, then it should work from our application also. So these are the ways you solve your problem. Incrementally you have to solve. Okay, but see, my suggestion is never type all the code and look for error. Okay, fine. So never type all the code and then look for error. Go step by step. Incrementally you go, you can solve the problem easily. Okay, fine. Now what happened? We'll go back. Okay, so remove this statement. So same thing. So I'll remove this everything. So just say removed. Otherwise, no. Now there is no monkey. There is SQL. Okay, fine. Now what happens? We'll just go back. Go back from the refresh this page. Okay, go to delete country. Give Thailand. Delete. Removed. So go back. Go back. View country. Not there. Not there. India, Pakistan, China, Cambodia, Vietnam, Japan. Okay, so we'll remove Cambodia. Cambodia, you are deleted. Okay, so delete country. Okay, Cambodia. Cambodia. Okay, we'll try with small letter. I think it won't work. We'll just see. Cambodia. Delete. Remove. Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay, view countries. Cambodia, you're not there. Okay, fine. So, any clarifications? Any doubts? Any doubts so far? So see, now we have used the web component actually. JSP is a web component. Okay, of course, so we could have used servlet also. Okay, servlet is, it's like inside Java code having HTML is servlet. Okay, inside HTML Java code is JSP. This is the difference. Okay, does it make sense? Inside HTML, if you have Java code, that is JSP. Inside Java code, if you have HTML, it is servlet. Okay, we could have used both, either servlet or JSP we could have used. But normally servlet is used as a controller in between, the backend EJP and the front end HTML, JSP and all. Okay. So any clarifications? Any doubts?
So I need some help.
Yes. So you want to share your screen?
Yes, sir. It's about the server. I couldn't connect it.
Okay. Show me. Share your screen.
It's this one, sir.
Okay. I can see. Okay. So what is the error you get?
So it doesn't really accept JDK 19.
Oh, okay.
And
Mhm.
I installed the 17 version, but it
Mhm.
doesn't find this one.
Oh, okay. Just go to your command prompt. Command prompt. Just use CMD at the bottom. Okay, CMD at the bottom. Okay. Just Java version is just Java space hyphen version. What is the version?
19, sir.
19. So what you do is, wait. Now you just see where is 7. See, go drive or drive whatever where you installed, and find 17.
It's over here, sir.
Oh, where is it? You just copy that address bar on top. This is 17 folder only, na? Okay. Wait. This is JDK. The letters are not very clear to me. What is first one? First folder? This folder.
JDK 19.
Oh, 19. What is this?
JDK 17.
17. It looks like application. No, but it got installed somewhere. Go to your C drive. Go to C drive. Go to program files. Java is there. Go
Yes,
there.
sir.
No, it's still not installed actually. The thing is, did you install it? Have you run this?
I installed this one, sir.
Oh, installed. Then you see, don't install again. Maybe so it got installed somewhere else. We have to find the path. That's it. I'll tell you. If you find the path, I'll tell you how to do it. JDK 17, you have to locate the folder. Locate the folder. Maybe some other place. Go to C drive. Go to C drive. See, all of you can also watch it. So because this is how we solve the problem. We have to find program files. Isn't any other look? If you already executed, it would ask you the path where it installed. Okay, go there. Go to 86. Find Java is there. Just see whether Java is there. Search.
I think I might not have downloaded, sir.
Oh, you're not installed it, huh?
It's not anywhere else, so that's probably the case.
Yes. Yeah, just install it now. Install it now. So see, once you finish installing it now, it will go and sit in one of your folders. Okay. Only one thing you have to do is, okay, I'll tell you what to do because anyway, let it complete. I'll tell you what to do. You just look at my screen. Huh? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Edit the system environment variables. Okay, fine. Then environment variables. Okay. Then path. Okay, edit. Now what happens? By default, your 19 will be on top. 19. See, where you execute, where you install 19 will be on top. Okay, and 17, which you just now installed, will be at the bottom. So what you are supposed to do is, suppose this is 17. Okay, take it, move up. Click on up, move up like that. Okay, so it has to go before 19. See, imagine this is 19. Can you see that? JIT.
Yes, sir.
So just imagine this is for example, this is 19. Imagine this is 19. When you installed 17, 17 will be at the bottom. What you're supposed to do, click on 17, take move up like that. Then it has to go before 19. So just this is 18. Now install 17 here. 17 should come before 18. That means 17 takes priority over 18. That's it. Then you say okay. Then you start. Okay. Then you start. Of course, you have to start the JDK again, the NetBeans again. You have to start, no other go, because then only NetBeans will take 17. Otherwise, it will take always 18. Fine. So thing is, the path in which you installed your see, for example, C program files Java / 1.7. Okay. Oh, do you understand what I say? Now you take that particular, see, you will get automatically here. C program files, Java 1.7 something you will get. Click on it, move up. So it should go before 18. Before 18 or in your case 19. Before 19 it should go. Say OK. Okay, then say OK everywhere. Say OK everywhere. Then come out of this. Then start NetBeans again. Okay, suppose if it's not working, restart the machine again. Then that particular JDK will start first. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now yours is completed. Your thing is completed. Installation
It's
completed.
finished downloading, sir.
Finished out. Then you just check where it got installed. Check it. Aux Sarapich.
Yes, sir. Yes. Can you ask again?
Yeah, Chow Call Doravut. Tep Putaren. Streng Henry Tisan. Kyo Linton Gui. Daitit Pana. Okay. 3 more others. Who are they? Wong, I remember. Wong. Yeah. Wong. Seng, I think. Masaki Ome. Masaki, had your breakfast? Yeah, Masaki, you're not talking to me. Masaki.
Oh, so, hi. I have a bad connection, sorry.
Oh, okay. Okay. Finished, huh? Oak.
I'm trying to put it in, sir.
Okay. I think we have 2 more minutes, 3 minutes are there. So anything else you want to share? Anybody has got some doubts? You can see, you can try out all the. I'll send the code today. Huh? I'll send the entire code to you. Site, of course. You can develop a website with complete Java and JSP. Okay. So anybody's got any doubts? You can clarify. Darawat, Chow Kol Darawat. So anybody's got any doubts? Okay, so I think we have completed insertion, deletion, and viewing of data. Updation, okay, in the same way you can try it out. The thing is, you have to send the country code, send the country code, then the corresponding country code. Now, for example, if I have Burma, okay, Burma right now it is named as Myanmar. Okay, so first you save insert as Burma, then update. You give the code where the name is Burma. Update table set. Okay, name is equal to country underscore name is equal to Myanmar. Where okay where country name is equal to Burma. Burma. So in fact, no, you have to pass the old country name. Okay, Burma you pass. Burma will be replaced by Myanmar. Okay, same thing. Any doubt? Any doubts? Okay, so how you can complete and try it out, huh? So that if you have any clarification, you can share me in slang. Sorry, Slack.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Shall we stop now?
Sir,
Up to you.
I have a question. Finals.
Yes. Yeah, tell me. What is the question? What are you talking now?
Sir,
I'm not
sir,
able to.
we have to review all of it, right, sir? But anything in particular you want us to look more into?
For final exam, huh?
Yes, sir.
Maybe for final exam, I'll go through the question paper again. I'll give you an idea, oral idea. I won't tell you reveal questions. Don't worry. But I'll go through the questions. Okay, and I'll just see. Okay, because right now I'm blank. If you suddenly ask me, I'll go through the question. I won't share. Don't worry. I'll never share. Okay, I'll go through the question and I'll just give you an oral idea which area is important. Tomorrow I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. Be happy.
Bye, sir.